Let's help your child successfully pass the final math test with a score of 100%. The Math Country books are the perfect solution for this. They guide your child step by step toward achieving excellent results. In the core series, your child will learn to solve everything from simple problems to logic and geometry challenges. To ensure 100% successful preparation, we've added extra books that focus on key topics, order of operations, a complete understanding of how and in what order to perform calculations using fundamental math principles, like fractions and decimals. Fractions will no longer be intimidating. Each problem will become simple and clear. All types of word problems, developing skills to solve real-world math problems, multiplication table and its applications, not just memorization, but real understanding of how to apply multiplication in life, and problem-solving, comprehensive exercise sets, helping your child reinforce their knowledge and confidently tackle any problems. These books make complex topics simple and understandable and will guarantee your child is well prepared to ace the final math test with a score of 100%. You can find more details about each book by following the link in the description.